Hi friends, this video shows how to bring back missing navigation buttons. See here, navigation buttons are not visible. Buttons are missing. I will show you how to fix this. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go to display, go down, tap on navigation bar. See, right now I have selected swipe gestures. That is the reason navigation buttons are not visible here. Let me select buttons. Enable buttons navigation. Tap here. Done. Now we can see buttons here. So this way we can bring back missing navigation buttons. Let me go back. Let me close this. See, now buttons are visible here. So this way we can bring back missing navigation buttons. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.